In front of me is Realme 8, and let me show you how to turn on or off night mode. So at first, just open the list of all apps, then find and select settings, go to display and brightness done, and here you will notice several options. So you've got iComfort mode right here. If you apply it, it is not that visible in dark mode, so let me switch it to lighted first. And now if you want to activate iComfort mode, just mark it. And as you can see, the brightness has been changed, and if you would like to customize it, just click on the left edge, and now you can change the temperature right here. As you can see, you can adjust it to your needs and preferences, and also you can schedule iComfort mode. To do it, and just tap either from sunset to sunrise, and from now on it will be on from sunset to sunrise, but you can also schedule it. Just tap on schedule time, and now pick start, hour, and from now on it will be active between 11 p.m. and 8 a.m. next day. So this is it. Then if you want to deactivate it, just unmark the switcher. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.